now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. It's been a minute, but just been a little busy trying to figure things out in this environment. But I wanted to show you guys two pickups, two of the recent releases that I hope you did not sleep on, because some of these pairs are fire. I'm gonna just be honest with you. So the first one, we got the Gym Red 14s. I heard people call them Fire Red 14s, but Ferrari 14s. It's a clean shoe. I really like it. There's something about the 14 silhouette that just doesn't really have me that excited. But this is a really nice shoe. I kind of wish the material was different on the red part, but I do like the material, like nubuck suede on the toe. Overall, it's a clean shoe though. Just kind of the normal 14, but in that black and red that obviously Jordan fans love. And so you can't go wrong with any black and red Jordan. And then the one that I think will catch a lot of people by surprise, and I think one of the best drops so far this year, we got the reverse grape, suede grape purple. All I know is that this shoe is freaking heat. This shoe is heat. Dang, my old grape kind of got destroyed a little bit, but shoe is heat. All I'm gonna say. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the material on this shoe. It is like a pure suede. Like, it is a buttery, a nice material, looks nice. Colors are extremely like vibrant. They pop on foot. This will look crazy. Let's see if I have a different. It's just something about Jordan 5s and the materials they use for them. It can just be so good. Like, I don't know what they got going on with Jordan 5s, but the materials are just so good. Like, I can't understate this. Like, this is just a really nice shoe. A really nice shoe. You're gonna need to protect it with some type of protector so the suede stays right just a little bit, and obviously scuffs for all my students. All the scuffs are gonna be crazy for this one, so walk carefully. But yes, two clean shoes. The grapes, the reverse grapes, and the Fire Red, Gym Red 14s. Yeah, you can't go wrong. You couldn't go wrong with either one of those, so I hope you at least got to cop one. I did have the Retro 11. Oh, I guess I do, actually. I do have a pair. Then another shoe I didn't show you guys. The Retro 11 Low. I don't even know what these are called either. Like, the names, I don't know. They're just trying different things. But 11 Lows, I really like them. And this was a nice shoe because obviously it mixes the Concords and the Breads. I think they were actually called the Concord Breads. I don't know. It mixes the Concords upper and then the Bread sole. So, I mean, can't really go wrong. Looks really nice. Again, black, red, white. Any of those colors on a Jordan is just like, we'll take it. So that being said, we got those, and we got 14s. Hope you cop one of these, because these were three pretty good Jordan releases from what we're usually used to getting Jordan. Hopefully the retail price will go down a little bit. It won't, but I just keep saying it. But yeah. So let me know if you copped one of them in the comments. Otherwise, we out of here. Mark Hicks. Oh, you can pre-order on markhicks.com too if you want to, because a lot of these shoes were pretty tough to get, honestly. For a GR, kind of GR, they're tough to get. markhicks.com. I got you. I'll look out.